Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn and a forward-thinking venture capitalist, believes that by 2034, the typical 9-to-5 job is going to be a thing of the past, with technology making life so affordable that most people won't need to work in the traditional sense. This bold prediction stems from Hoffman's understanding of several major trends reshaping our world. First, automation. Automation and AI. He believes that it will likely reach a level where machines handle most repetitive and predictable jobs. Experts already estimate that nearly half of today's work could be automated with existing technology. As machines take over more tasks, fewer people will be needed in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even some professional services. At the same time, we're seeing the rise of freelance and gig workers. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are already helping people find project-based jobs instead of long-term employment. Hoffman envisions a future where people focus on short-term freelance gigs that match their skills and interests rather than sticking to one job for their entire life. The idea of universal basic income is also part of this vision. With automation driving productivity and lowering costs, some believe governments or corporations could provide everyone with a guaranteed income. This safety net would make it easier for people to cover their basic needs, freeing them from the need to work for survival. Hoffman sees the price of goods and services dropping so much that most people will be able to live comfortably without a full-time job. Decentralization is another key trend, fueled by blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and other Web3 technologies. These tools could create a more decentralized economy where people have greater control over their work and data, and more opportunities to create value on their own terms, without relying on big companies. In the long term, Hoffman believes we could see a post-scarcity economy. This is where advanced technologies like solar energy, lab-grown food, and 3D printing make essentials so cheap that work becomes optional. With basic needs covered, people could shift their focus to creative, intellectual, or humanitarian pursuits, redefining the purpose of work altogether. Of course, moving towards this future requires huge changes in society, education, and policy. But Reid Hoffman states that he's quite optimistic that technology can drive these changes if used wisely. These are Interesting Things with JC.